The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oregon Department of Homeland Security. At around 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a strange and unknown creature was seen roaming around Oregon and attacking everyone in its sight. The Oregon Department of Homeland Security has released a description of the creature. Yellow skin, about 5 feet tall, has a triangle-shaped body, has one eye, and was last seen wearing a black bow tie and a black top hat. If you see this creature, dial 911 immediately. Try your best to keep out of the sight of this creature. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. We interrupt regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and radio stations will transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is CATU TV. We will continue to serve the Portland metropolitan area. If you are not in this area, tune to news stations for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Portland metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message has been requested to be released at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. A strange portal has suddenly appeared in the sky. This portal is believed to be from another dimension, but it can't be confirmed at this time. In addition, the unknown creature has been identified as Bill Cipher. Bill Cipher is a character from the TV show called Gravity Falls. Bill Cipher threatens to take over the United States, and possibly the world, if his demands are not met. Negotiations with Bill are going as we speak. All citizens are advised to seek any form of shelter at this time. More information will come as soon as possible. Stay safe. This is a message that was given authorization to be released at the request of the United Nations. This is the end of the world. Negotiations between the United States government and Bill Cipher have failed. Bill has summoned more unknown creatures into the United States. Countries around the world have also been experiencing a large amount of unknown creatures. Armies have failed to take out these creatures, and many federal governments have already fallen to Bill Cipher. Bill Cipher has already given Earth a new name, Weirdmageddon. The United Nations will now sign off. Please join us as we play the Star-Spangled Banner for the final time.